Hello, I am Abhishek Bhattacharya, a second-year student of Computer Science and Engineering at Amity University, Noida. Well, 30 seconds are way too less. Let me go fast. Since my childhood, I've always desired towards evangelizing for technology. For example, I was the head boy of my school, I was made the class representative in my first year at college, and the company that I've been interning at since my first semester, all of these places have been using old traditional ways of work. For example, using Excel sheets and desktop software for working, which they had to attach over the email, send over, and everything like that. I tried introducing Google Docs. Google Docs is a revolutionary piece of software, I find, from Google. They say that such an introduction made their work so much more collaborative, so much more live and impactful. So basically, by being a GSA, I intend to do the same thing. Evangelize for technology with the same vigor I've been doing all through, but backing up support from such a prominent name in technology. Google is synonymous with technology. Thank you.